Strongly bullish APP stock has gained over 400% since the last 1 year, as is since you could say today, the 27th of February 2024, has gained over 400%. But it has now printed the eighth straight daily drop as of yesterday, the 27th of November, the eighth straight daily drop. Yes, it printed that yesterday. Yesterday closed at lost 3.18%. You may have heard that they have been accused of, according to Fuzzy Panda and Copa Research, both who are now shorting the stock. They are indicating that the company AppLovin steals data from Meta platforms, and the latter noted it takes advantage of app permissions that enable advertisements themselves to be advertisements to for seed-sided backdoor app installations. Yeah, short interest is we saw according to the folks at Schaefer's Investment Research, it has increased by 12.9%, but we're seeing it's increased to 12.9% to around 6% of thereabout, with around 14.1 million shares having been sold short. So this is its 3 hour chart. We can see here we have downward projections. We have here 244.99. We have here 204.89. We have here 181.97. But if you come to the 4 hour chart, you might see something a bit different. You might see that there might be upper projections. Here we can see upper projections. You can this that's that the drop we are talking about since Tuesday the 18th of February. It's just been declining since Tuesday the 18th. Yeah. So we have here rebounder projections. We have 42896, 4896, 46115. 483, and 516.34. This projection is more of an emphasis. I mean, it's been emphasized a couple of times. It seems that's why it's a lot thicker than the other ones. The probability that it can print these levels, this rebound projections is high, is decent, because it has actually printed this highs before now. If you do the calculation manually, you'll be able to find out that using the moving averages that are here, especially the ones that are here, you find out that it will be obtaining very decent probabilities that it can get to or rebound to such levels. So as things stand right now, and also given what happened yesterday, the loss was only 3% in the previous session. That is the session of the 26th of February. It printed a loss of 12%, which is its biggest daily drop since December. And if you go by all of those, you may begin to, and also seeing what's going on now with the extrapolation of its 10-period moving average, you may want to think that it has bottomed. That it may begin to consolidate this volatile or aggressive deterioration that has occurred, that began as of Tuesday, the 18th of February. It may have come to an end. Even though, of course, we don't exactly know the impact of what has been alleged and what even Meta itself has been come out to say about the company. So apart from the short sellers selling the stock short, Meta is also pointing out that the company is stealing from them and all that. So it can have a material impact on the stock. By the way, this was also, it's believed that it was the best performing stock of last year, 2024. With that astronomical gain of 400% or thereabout. So this is its daily chart, and we have here as well an emphasized upper projection of 459.80, and here it printed that this is, as I said, Tuesday the 18th of February. Yeah, this is where it printed that rejection. It's all time high. So Here, yes, just an upper projection, no downward projection. As a matter of fact, there are two upper projections. As a matter of fact, not only okay, only one in play at the moment. Yeah, as well, two of them are okay. One in play at the moment. That's that 459.80. So it's early days. It's early days for its underlying trend to change. Still strongly bullish and sloping bullishly upwards. You know, we can just quickly have a look at its weekly chart. We might be able to see something. No, not a 2 hour chart. Yeah, 2 hour chart just emphasizes what we're talking about, that decline. So let's have a look at its weekly chart and see what's in play here. Here on the weekly chart, we have yeah, you have a downward projection here of all the way down to 92.51, the 2.51, and upper projection of 369.91, 361.91. So, well, what is likely is that it might get some sympathy from shots from retail hands. That's what is likely, and they're not going to judge it. They're not going to judge the company for. I mean, with regard these accusations, they're not really going to judge them. They're just it's going to get a lot of sympathy from retail investors, as I pointed out. So it's currently trading at 314.40 in this post markets in this pre-market session of today, the 28th of February 2025. It's a further retracement from where it closed at yesterday. So we can just weekly have a look at its 45-minute chart and see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, weakness is expected. It's expected to continue to be in play, but there are also there are projections here. Um, okay, yeah, there are upper projections. We have an upper projection here of 334.58. 334.58. So we from time to time it does spike as well, but it's surely big. I mean, given its history, given the fact that it was the best performing stock of last year, and that you have short sellers who have openly come out to indicate that they have sold the stock short. It will. I believe it will be of interest to retail investors. They'll be observing it because short selling simply means money locked up into the stock, and they will be rooting for a rally on rally that will force short sellers or short sellers to reverse their positions and get money into the stock. So yeah, this is what we're facing now. Probability of it rebounding looks strong, but on this 4 hour chart, it looks like it has reached the bottom, but we could be wrong as well. So currently now it's trading in this pre-market session currently at 319.5. It's just slight retracement from where it closed at yesterday at 320.49. So see what you make of APP stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.